And hello YouTube, Miami CO Indiana here, going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube from your iPhone. There was a change made, it threw me off, so I figured it must have also thrown other people off, so I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, I just ask a 1-second favor. If you could hit the red subscribe button in the right corner of the screen, it would really help me out. So let's just get going here. First thing you're going to need is a YouTube app. If you don't have that yet, you can get that from the App Store. So we'll open the application. That'll take you to your channel. Of course, you have to have a channel to upload videos to YouTube. It used to have a little camera icon up here, but we see that has disappeared. And that's how we used to upload through our iPhones. All you have to do is go to the bottom and hit the middle key, which is the plus key, and that will give you the upload a video or the go live option. We're going to choose upload a video. It may ask for permissions the first time you use that. Just say yes to those, and you have an option of recording a video and putting it on, or this will bring up all the videos from your library. I only have one, so I'm going to click it, and that'll bring up my video. I will hit next. Give it a second. It's going to take a second to load here. There it is. Then I can create a title for the video. I can add a description. When you've finished with that, go back to the top, hit your next key. Then it's going to ask you, is it made for kids? Which is a required that you mark this. So you're going to have to hit this button here, go to the bottom, and answer yes or no to if it was made for kids or not. Do you want your video to go to an adult audience or no restrictions? You're going to click that as well, whichever you prefer, and then you simply hit the upload button and you've just uploaded a video to YouTube. It's that easy. The main thing is they changed it from the camera icon on the top to the little plus sign on the bottom. Everything else pretty much works the same. So again, I hope this was useful to some people. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. If you want to leave a like, that's great too. Till next time, I hope you have a great day. So long, everyone.